Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the alleged abuse of an 11-year-old student by the police is the focus of an investigation.
The incident happened in Oracabessa in St. Mary last week.
And as Shamela Pullen reports, the child's father is furious.
A viral video making the rounds on social media. Police officers trying to restrain a schoolboy in Oracabessa, St. Mary last week. While he's pinned to the ground, the child could be heard crying for water. There were approximately 5 policemen on the scene. But what triggered the incident? The child's father explained he was stopped by a policeman who threatened to ticket him for not using car seats to transport his 11-year-old son and 6-year-old daughter.
Car seat in general, him say yes. So I say, but I think the Prime Minister and the government review this and they revoke the traffic rules. And he said, you don't know the law. So I say, I mean, I don't know the law. So same time I step out of the car, and when I step out of the car, I said, but the government talk about this, and my son is 11 years old and my daughter is 6. He said, you don't know the law, and don't come out and come exalt yourself.
He says he walked away, and while relaying to a friend what had happened, another policeman approached him.
He said, a long time I should have locked up here, you know. A long time I should have charged. He said, charge me for what? What did I do? He said, you call the police idiot. So I said, call the police idiot, they can. He said, yes, they can charge you. He said, all right, they can charge me feet then. So what are you going to do? He said, if I lock you up and think. Say, me hold off my hand because my hand was folded. And he hold off and said, let me go. Don't touch me, don't assault me.
He says the officer then pulled a gun at him. That's when his son reacted.
That's the time when my son jumped out of the car. He and my daughter jumped out of the car and said to him, what are you going to do to my father? And the little youth drape him as an 11-year-old and throw a thump at him. When the little youth throw the first thump, he go to throw the second thump and he hold him and say, what is a little boy do? Harass the police. So he pushed the little youth and the little youth hold on to his vest. And through him pushed the little youth tried to, he was losing his balance. So he hold on to his vest. His vest got a tore on the left hand side.
The child was also pepper sprayed.
He jogging in his shirt, he burst off his shirt, burst off his belt, pepper spray him and kneel down in his stomach. When he kneel down in his stomach, I said to the inspector, you're going to make them pepper spray my son? The inspector did nothing. He said nothing to the officers.
The two were taken to the police station. The Child Protection and Family Services, CPFSA, and Indicom intervened.
What I see, they are using brutal force and they are using a force of violence on the citizens of Jamaica. They have a stigma between scammers and taxi operators. From once you're driving a Probox, a Toyota Probox, a Toyota Wish, a Nissan AD wagon, and a Toyota Fiela, you are running taxi. The next thing, as a young guy driving a Mark X, a BMW, or a Mercedes-Benz, or a scammer, and that needs to stop.
When contacted, head of the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay told TVJ News that an investigation is currently underway. She says additional videos have been requested to help with the investigation. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.